A pop-up drink stand should buy lemons, sugar, water filters, cups, straws, and flavored syrups in bulk, since these are the base ingredients used in almost every drink you will serve, and buying them in large quantities saves the most money per unit. Think of your drink stand like a lemonade recipe that never runs out. The three things that get used up the fastest are sugar, lemons or citrus juice, and cups, so those should always be bought in the biggest containers you can find. Here's something most people do not know. Buying citric acid powder instead of fresh lemons can save you a ton of money, because a small bag of citric acid can replace hundreds of lemons and it lasts much longer without spoiling. You can mix citric acid with a little bit of lemon zest to still get that fresh taste without paying for fresh fruit every single day. Ice is another ingredient people forget to buy in bulk, and running out of ice on a hot day can shut your stand down completely. Try to find a wholesale club that sells cups, lids, and straws together as a bundle, since that combo is usually cheaper than buying them separately at a regular store. One common mistake is buying sugar in small bags, which ends up costing almost double compared to buying a 50-pound bag from a restaurant supply store. Another thing to watch for is flavored syrups going bad faster than people expect once they are opened. So only buy syrup in bulk if you know you will use it within a few weeks. A lot of new stand owners also forget that water quality changes the taste of every drink, so investing in a simple bulk water filter can make your drinks taste more consistent every single day. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.